All right, guys, how you doing? Scott Jelinek here, and I'm going to do a slow flip case study for you. You guys are going to love these numbers, so I can't wait to share them with you. So hopefully we can get the editing done and show you actual pictures of this house and how we went through the entire process into what it looks like now. Now, keep in mind the numbers, and this was a slow flip. So guys, ready? So I purchased this house 5 years and 2 months ago as a slow flip. I bought this as a package of properties. So I paid $21,000 for each one of these properties. I bought a package of 24, but for this particular property that I'm doing the case study on, I paid $21,000 for it. So I, in turn, turned around and slow flipped it, and I sold it for $89,000 and $875 a month. My first buyer was in this property for a little over 4 years, and then there was a fire in the property. It was their fault, the fire. They did not have renter's insurance. I had insurance on the property, but we did not make a claim. They did not want to deal with it. They just moved out. So they completely left the property, fire damaged, gave it back to me, came in, turned in the keys, and said, here's your property. Sorry for what happened, right? So I did not make a claim. I did not call my insurance company. I decided that I was just going to market it and slow flip it exactly as it sits, right? So I put another slow flip buyer in it, contractor this time, because of the work that it needed. I slow flipped it at $129,000. They gave me $3,000 down and $875 a month. So now they moved in and completely renovated it. Now, hopefully we can edit in and show you the pictures of what it looked like when I got it, what it looked like with the fire damage, if you can see it right behind me, and then if you can see now what it looks like now. So now they in turn completely renovated it. They had it for, I think, a year and a half, a year and a couple months from me. They've been paying on it monthly, simultaneously renovating it. Now they just listed it and put it on the market. So they listed it and sold it for $240,000. So now keep in mind, they have some renovation costs in it because they did all the work to the property, and they've been paying a monthly payment for a year, but they did not have to come up with a mortgage. They did not have to use hard money. So now it resold to a homeowner now. And I just picked up my check, and I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to see this. I just picked up a check for $119,322.05. And what I wanted to stress with you guys on this, which is why I love slow flips, the numbers are just astronomically crazy, is that this is 100% all profit. Not only is it all profit, there's actually more profit than what this shows. And the reason I tell you that is because I did not pay $1 out of pocket for this property. I borrowed the entire thing on a 5-year mortgage. The first 60 months paid off the house, plus gave me profit every month. Now for the last 3-4 months, it's been free and clear. And now it finally closed. So I pick up this check. I have no underlying mortgage because it's been completely paid off by the buyers, right? My slow flip buyers have been making payments, which paid off the house. And now I picked up this check here for $119,322.05. 100% complete pure profit. And this is why I tell you I love slow flips. We get the opportunity to just be the bank, not to be the contractor who went in and did the rehab. Now, mind you, they made a lot of money too. A lot of people say, well, how come you didn't just rehab it yourself? You'd make more money. You're right, I would, but I can do one, right? You can do 1, 2, 3 rehabs at a time. Currently, I have 178 of these going on simultaneously, and I'm not in there doing the rehab. I'm not doing the work. I am strictly just processing payments, collecting just like a bank. Someone else is doing the rehab, and for that, they are going to profit, and I want them to profit. So that is all I wanted to share with you. Hopefully, we're able to edit this up and show you what the houses look like before, what they look like during, what they look like after, and you can see the listing for what it ended up selling for and the fantastic rehab job that these buyers ended up doing. And that's all I wanted to share with you. Let you see a slow flip from start to finish so you can see exactly how this process works and how it can work for you. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. So make sure you go out there, do something today that your future self is going to thank you for.